Hello, everybody. Today, in this picture, not video, picture, um, I am going to be doing a super serious review. Now, I know it is April the 1st. I know, but please bear in mind this is going to be one serious review. So we have 5 box cars all over the place. As you can see, we have Mr. and Mrs. Potato Head holding a level crossing. Okay. Yeah, the engine we're going to be reviewing today in this super serious review is going to be this. Yes, I know the image looks fantastic. It's awesome. Okay, now let's get into this review. As you can see, the product code here, if that does not say Hornby, that says Fairy Tale Railways. So if you think that's Hornby, you're blind. There's a product code. I hope you can read that. That says 3-99 paintbrush. Okay, now let's get this open. Let's get it open. It's coming out. It's coming out. So yes, I am unboxing a what do you call this again? I have no idea anymore. Well, this is an amazing review, isn't it? As you can see, you got the awesome metal linkage. The coupling looks fantastic, much better than tension lock and knuckle couplers. You have the front smoke box there, the cab, just pure awesomeness. So before I get to this review, I need to dunk all of this gently to one side. That's better. Now before I run this locomotive, I need to service it on camera first. Best servicing video ever, don't you think? As you can see, I can turn on this controller and the train will run. So let's get this thing to move, shall we? Oh, how amazing is that? Right, so now I didn't even have to turn the controller up to the lowest speed possible right here, so let me try and do that, and we can get this locomotive. This mechanism is so smooth, it's unbelievable. Oh my god, look. I told you that's super slow. I told you. You don't believe me. It's just going too magnificent, don't you think? I can't even keep up with it. That's how slow it is. Yeah, it's just running too perfectly. Running too. Who am I kidding? So here are my ratings for the Fairy Tale Railways paintbrush or toothbrush class. Detail 10 out of 10. Mechanism 10 out of 10. Quality 11 out of 10. Value 65 out of 10. Now again, I know it's April the 1st, but like I said, this is a very extremely serious review, so that does not say Thomas, that says something else. But it's still moving even with the controller turned off. Can you believe it? So, yeah, like I said, this is a really serious review. I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you guys.